Si RCBC, every once in a while, meron siyang no annual fee for life promo. Pag may nakita kayong agent sa mall, nag-refer ng RCBC, pwede kayong mag-apply doon. And you can also apply online. Ito lang yung dapat yung tandaan. Meron siyang spending requirement, tsaka merong spending period. Doon sa spending requirement, depende siya sa tier ng card na ma-approve sa'yo. So, iba yung spending requirement for Classic, Gold, and yung Platinum cards. Aside from that, meron nga din yung spending period. Kung kailan ka dapat mag-spend. I think it's usually 60 days from approval. And the second way is to wait for the offer from the bank. Kagaya nga nung sa akin na in-offer ako ng no annual fee for life na card since it's my second card, which is yung Gold Visa. Yung iba kasi iniisip na ayaw nila ng may annual fee na card. So pag binigyan sila ng RCBC ng credit card tapos merong annual fee, ipapakancel na lang nila. Tapos mag-a-apply na lang sila after 6 months or so. Pero in my opinion, I think mas maganda kung mag-wait na lang kayo for an offer